Crystal. Thank you so much, Heike. I'm doing great. So crystal clear. Okay, I think Facebook not seeing well. Right. All right, here you go, Facebook and Instagram. So again, we're gonna dab it really little. Just don't load a lot of them and dab it once. You might bleeding all of them. Like they will looks like blurry and it's not going to be really precise and sharp look for you. So less is more, and wipe off your bristles on the size of the little piece of paper towel here, the towel here. And then, and keep in mind your marble look is not going to be identical. So it's going to be different on each times, or it's really similar, but that's how I love about the marble looks. It doesn't have to be exact the same. All right. And you know what, this is so stunning. You can use this and put some of your stickers on. It's really cool and easy for yourself, or if you do it for clients, the clients will love it. Really stunning, even though it's smaller. All right, let it set for a second. Here you go. And I'll let it set, which is mean it dry. And then we are going to put the top coat on and doing another super cute for the gels to create its 3D flowers. Hello everyone. So top coat and cure, apply the no wipe top coat and cure for 30 seconds. Oh, your glow in the dark's on the way. I'm excited for you. I can't wait. I know you're gonna have so much fun with that kit and create so many cute designs. I can't wait, Saika. Don't forget to share. Would love to see your beautiful designs. Cure for 30 seconds. And I have it right here, is pick out some of the beads for you from a blushings, the blushings 40 gels, and I'm gonna using some deep green as well. So the first look for all of you just tuning in, really simple, cute for is your nail. So here, so now how much you gonna price this one for your clients? Anybody have an ideas how many techniques I'm using in here, or how you are, if you are doing it for your clients, and how you are going to price it to be fair for you and your clients? Comment below, let me know. How much would you be like pricing that one? So okay, so we have that beads for that ones already, and then we are going to do the super cute. Is anybody 25? That's really good and it's fair because you have yours, because you have the fusioning underneath and your flowers. So I have one. First, press it down. All right.
Now, darling, for fusion, yes, you can mix 2 colors. If that you so choose.
Yes, you can definitely do 2 colors. And do another one. Put it on this side. And you can definitely do this and create the super adorable even butterflies as well. All right, so you don't have to do really perfect, and you have both of them work at the same time. and then you can adjust them together. All right, and then we're gonna flash here. You see that how cool it's going, and you can leave it up to make it like a more three-dimensional if you want to, but it's not going to catching on your hair or your clothes at all. It's really loving about this 40. So using the tips of your tool and clean it, give it a little bit quick swipe here so it's created really nice and pointed on the edges. Okay, all right, here quick 10 seconds. Thank you, ladies. We're having so much fun here, and I'm gonna get another beads right here. Yep, Dalian, you can do more than one colors. Some video I do up to like 5 colors. You definitely can do how many colors if you prefer. So I'm gonna place one here, right in the middle of the 2 petals, and spread it out. All right, and then we're gonna add some cute leaf on this side. Same thing, same techniques, press it down on the both end, and then that one. Oh my god, I like that one a lot. And then you can leave this one and put your crystal right there. This one is super cute and simple, right? All right, flash here. This one quick, 10 seconds. Not yet. And I'm gonna go ahead and use condensed glue gels. Hello, thank you everyone for tuning in. And then I'm gonna using is condensed glue gels. Pick up just a little bit of the condensed glue gels. Usually I would using the ginger brush, but I'm gonna use just right here, just on that edges. Right here. And then a wipe top coat. You don't have to coat your 40 gel because it's already finished. It's tag free. You don't have to do anything else. And I'm gonna add some crystal and frame. I'm loving it. I'm getting that one from this size SS8 from the glow in the dark crystal kits. And add a few of them on. It's along with the bead too. Oh, I'm out. Sorry. One more. keep going different direction. And add this more and one more. I love it because it has so many different sizes of beads. You can add more on if you prefer. I'm gonna add this on the other side. Are you okay? Hey.
Yep.
Ah, so adorable. Oh, is that right? Right here?
Yep.
I'm so obsessed with this cute flowers. And it's like, oh, something is really cool and stunning. I like it a lot. And you don't have to finish a whole flowers. You can do like just part of the petals, like 2, 3 of them. So I show you how to do whole flowers, and then you can do is like smaller ones. All right, we are going to cure for 60 seconds. It's so